So from the acceleration, we can find out the velocity as acceleration is equal to dv by dt. So if you integrate this dv, so we will get v final minus v initial. If you put the limit initial time and final time, so this integration a dt, so this will become the area under the AT graph from time ti to tf. Okay, so this total area, it is nothing but the integration. This is a dt. Okay, so if you know the initial velocity, so suppose at t is equal to ti, we know the value of velocity, so v is equal to vi. Okay, and suppose we are interested in the final time where t is equal to tf, what is the corresponding velocity? So this velocity we can find out by using this equation. So we will write that equation as Vf is equal to Vf minus Vi. This is equal to area under the AT graph between the time limit, that is a Ti and Tf. So Vf, this is equal to Vi, that is the initial velocity, plus area under AT graph between time limit Ti to Tf. So by using this formula, we can find out the final velocity from the AT graph. Okay, so just take simple example. So if the acceleration time graph is given, and this graph is like this. Okay, so for 0 to 2 second, acceleration is constant. So this constant value, this is equal to 2 meter per second square. And from 2 second up to 6 second, acceleration is increasing. So from t is equal to 2 second, acceleration is increasing, and this acceleration becomes maximum, and this maximum value, this is equal to 4 meter per second square. Okay, and suppose the initial velocity is given, which is at t is equal to 2 second, velocity v, that is equal to so at t is equal to 2 second, its velocity v2, that is equal to 2 meter per second. This is a given value. And we want to find out at t is equal to 6 second, what is the velocity. So it is a v6. Okay, so v6 will become final velocity. So this is the initial velocity, and this is the final velocity. Okay, so acceleration time graph is given, and we want to find out the velocity. So we will use the equation Vf is equal to Vi plus area under the AT graph from time Ti to Tf. Okay. So here initial time is 2 seconds, final time is 6 seconds. So Vi, this is equal to V2. Vf is V6 plus area from time 2 to 6 seconds. So V2 is given, that is equal to 2 meter per second. And this area we can find out. So this is the total area. Okay. So this total area we can divide into two known areas. So first area will be this triangle and second area will be the rectangle. So for the triangle, formula 1 by 2, its base is, it is 6 minus 2, that is equal to 4. And for the triangle, what is the height? So it is 4 minus 2, that is equal to 2. So this is area of the triangle, plus we have to consider the area of this rectangle. So for this rectangle, base is 4 and this height, it is 2. So it is 4 into 2. Okay. So in this way, we can find out the V6. So V6 is equal to 2 plus this total area. So it is 4 plus 8, that is equal to 12. So V6 is 14 meter per second. Okay. And then you can plot the graph velocity and time. So we will see this in next lecture.